Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you have been bright and shiny. Cheerful and positive. Today I am also feeling bright and breezy. This is Sonu speaking before you. I am a public speaker. All the time I try to practice my spoken English in order that to get my fluency. Since I am an English content creator, I think I need to practice more and more. That's why I'm trying to improve my spoken English in public places by practicing. If I don't practice my spoken English, so how can I get my fluency? So you can see this is Kennedy Hall and I am standing here, okay, and I am making video now, but this is not my cup of tea, okay. Today I'm gonna talk about the very important topic, you can say. I have a quick question for you. Why can so many students understand English but they can't speak English? What is the problem? And what is the main reason why it is happening to us? You know one thing, most of my friends, they are having problems speaking in my university. In the Aligarh Muslim University as well, in my hostel, in my room. Anywhere I go, I can see this kind of problem. But why it is happening to us? You know one thing, most of my friends, they can write English easily, as well as they are able to read the books, novels, newspaper, and not only that, but also they are capable of understanding English. But when it comes to speaking, they are not capable of speaking in front of thousands of people. So why it is happening to us? You know one thing, lack of practice. If you practice in a proper way, so you will get it easily. There is no other way to get fluency easily without practicing. So you need to practice more and more. I have a very good example for you. Let me give you an analogy, then you will be able to understand why it is happening to us, okay. So just imagine, it is not real. You are going to the cricket academy in a week 4 or 5 times, or you can say every single day. But at the cricket academy, you just only practice your batting, but you never pay attention to your bowling. You never practice on your bowling. You never concentrate on your bowling. So can you imagine what is going to happen after a few months? Definitely you are going to have very strong your batting, but your bowling probably won't be that strong your batting. So it is the same with speaking. If you practice more and more, if you try to speak with someone, so it would become automatically. Otherwise it is not possible for you to get fluency easily. So don't overcomplicate the things. Just open your mouth and say anything. Don't think so much about mistakes, okay. I mean make mistakes and learn again. Make mistakes and learn again. Don't give up yourself. Don't be upset, okay. You have to say anything. No need to think that what people will laugh at you. No problem. Just keep practicing your pronunciation, keep improving your pronunciation, keep learning the English, and